This is a Korean steamed egg dish called Gyeran Jjim. It's like an egg souffle, and it's very good with rice. It's just basically I did a 1 cup of water, 4 eggs with maybe a half teaspoon of salt and some scallions, green onions, and you just boil it for a few minutes. Lightly stir, and then you let it steam. Also, I had some mapo tofu, and it's very good. It's like a salty souffle, egg custard souffle, and it's very good with rice. Very nice side dish. Very easy to make, and it should fit most people's palate. If you like eggs, you'll like this.
And the firewood television, they should be like
What?
with each other. They should be on the same team.
Azula?
And firewood.
Yeah, they are on the same team.